Hello, this is the start of a secret vlog. Well, it's not really a secret, it's just a surprise.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? You having a good holiday?
Yeah.
And here's Lee. Hello, Lee. So we are off out to Paphos today and we're going to go and see what it has to offer. So I thought I would do a vlog because we're having a day out. So we've just been in our hotel, haven't we? We haven't done anything. We've literally been eating, sleeping, drinking, sleeping, swimming, playing with inflatables. Anything else? Football, reading,
Table
football, sports. Anything else?
We've been to like table sports stuff.
Yeah, table sports stuff. So we're going to have a day out. We're going to get the €1.50 bus. Hang on, that doesn't make sense. €1.50 bus because it's £40 in a taxi, and it's obviously a lot cheaper than hiring a car, because normally Lee likes to hire a car, but last year we got really lost, drove around for 3 hours and had a big argument, so we're not hiring a car. We're going to get the €1.50 bus. That's what we're going to do. So we'll show you around Paphos, won't we, Tobes?
Yeah.
Yeah, day out time. Woo! We're looking for football kits for Toby, and the time is 10 o'clock in the morning, and we've just had breakfast. I had pancakes, waffles, bananas and chocolate. And what did you have?
The same.
The same, and I had orange juice, and they've got really good coffee at this hotel as well, like bean to cup cappuccinos.
You said really coffee.
Really good coffee. Did I say really coffee?
Yeah.
Really good coffee. So yeah, just thought I'd start the vlog, say a quick hello. We're having a lovely holiday, such a nice time, really relaxing. So I just thought I would yeah, I'd do a little vlog of our day out. What's the temperature? It's so hot today. It feels like it's the hottest day. The sky is beautiful. I haven't been on a bus in ages. I don't even know when I was last on a bus. Can't remember. 36 degrees it says. On a glass bottom boat. What? You've been on a glass bottom boat.
Have I?
Yeah. So we've just been talking to some people about like a boat trip. So we might do a glass bottom boat or the pirate ship. I think the pirate ship thing's for kids, and I think Toby would love it. Are we going to do the pirate ship thing then? We're going to decide later. It looks really fun, and it's cheaper here than like booking in the hotel. We're just going to go for a little walk up here and see what's and explore. We're going to go and explore. Looking for football kits. It's pretty. This is really pretty. It's got elephants on them, little pom-poms. I'd like to try that on. I don't know how much it is. I don't know. Loads of dresses. That's pretty. These aren't so good on me, but this one's lovely. So I'm going to just find out how much it is. It's got little pineapples on and flowers, and it's just really sweet. It's got a little like layer. And it's like an A-line sort of skirt. So I'm going to get this one, I think. We found some squishies, but they're €7. So we might have to leave these.
How much is it? Oh,
£7, I think. I don't really know what it is though.
Microphone.
Can't see any mugs. Can you see any mugs? Oh, that's lovely. Really nice bowl. We found some mugs of the day. Any lovely.
Cyprus.
That's a nice song. Cyprus.
Doing this one.
That is a nice one. Any we can't live without. Oh, there's a Rudy one. Look, boobies.
Where? Oh, I love.
That's quite a nice one.
I love booby Cyprus.
I love booby
Mummy,
Cyprus.
I love booby Cyprus.
That's quite a nice one. So I just bought that little dress with the pineapples on, and Toby got, did you get 3 football kits? Toby got 3 football kits, and she did the whole lot for €55, which was quite
Griezmann,
good.
Griezmann,
Yeah.
Ronaldo.
Yeah?
No, Griezmann, Atletico Madrid, Ronaldo, Juventus, and
What was the last
number
one?
3, Harry Kane.
Harry Kane. Oh, the Tottenham one. That's really good. So we've done some shopping, but we're going to keep having a walk along here. Toby's got some money to spend. We want to explore the shops and walk along the sea. Look how pretty it is. It's lovely. I feel like we're really on holiday now. We've just been in a hotel, but I feel like we're on a proper holiday. Lee is looking for a belt. He loves a belt. Toby, belt up. Oh, nice leather hat. Grandad Mike will look good in that. Toby's going to have an ice cream. Wow. That strawberry looks amazing. Look at the strawberry. Oh look, Lion Bar. I might get that strawberry. I want one of those.
Mars bar.
Mars bar?
Maltesers.
I've got strawberry sorbet. So nice. What have you got? What's that one?
Kinder.
Kinder ice cream. What have you got?
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Yeah. Look at those monkeys. Monkeys. Oh, they're sweet. Oh, what's it do?
So you get Molly one.
Yeah.
It'll be really hot.
Oh no, more football kits, even cheaper.
Daddy, my back.
And if you didn't get your beach body this year, you can just chuck one of those on. No one would ever know. €10 for a beach body. It's really hot. Where have they gone? They're over there. I just found some football kits even cheaper. I say even cheaper, like €2, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. It's nice. Skirt. Oh, I like that one. What's that? Tottenham. What? Oh, France. Why does it look like Tottenham? £5 rail. Anything here? I don't think so. I'd love a stripy dress, but I haven't found one. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I think we get 2 more of those. Yeah? It smells nice in there. Oh, Rudy lady. They're nice. Smell amazing. And the last thing we're going to buy is Uno. Well done, Toby, you found that, didn't you?
Yeah. Can we go in there?
€2.50. Toby's found a little play area there. There he is. And I think I'm going to get a frozen cocktail. Kiwi dough, apple dough. That might be strawberry. And Toby's doing a football kit haul of all the kits he's found. It's a nice one. Ronaldo! I love these bright ones so I can spot him when he's playing football easily. That's a great one, that one.
What team is it then?
Rakuten team. And we got some more in a Tottenham one and something
How
else.
do you know it's Barcelona?
Oh, is it Barcelona? With Messi on the back. He just wants to show you one more kit. Is this France, is it? What team is this? Paris. I really like this one. Yeah, what's it on the back? Mbappe. I've got my little
How
dress
about
in
the
there.
shorts? Shorts.
Shorts, quick, show the shorts. Shorts haul. Tottenham ones, yay! Excellent, really good. Lovely Paris shorts. Adidas shorts.
They're not Adidas, they're Juventus.
Juventus, that is
But
brilliant.
they don't look like.
You didn't get anything, you got Uno. You've got to find you something, you got a beer. That's not. Oh, they're good. They're nice ones.
Is that all of the shorts?
You're so. Do you feel really lucky for all these kits? I'll keep going for the next 10 years.
Once I'm 16.
Yeah, when you're 16, we'll buy you more. That's it now. Little kit allowance. Look at these drinks. So that's Toby's mixed slush, and this is my frozen strawberry daiquiri. That's amazing.
Can I have a little bit?
No, alcohol.
Teeny bit.
Alcoholic.
You let me
At
have
least
some
got a
last
beer.
time. You let me have some last
You
time.
look at ours compared to yours.
Mine's rubbish. I want to change.
You should have got one of these.
Daddy, have a bit of mine.
This drink is so nice, and we are at the Moorings Cafe restaurant in Paphos, and it's on the seafront. So the seafront's kind of down there, and the lady, the waitress, is so nice. She's really lovely, and she came up and had a chat with Toby about what he wanted to drink before, like talking to us. She was like, "Hang on a minute." She said, "Hang on a minute" to Lee, and then she had a chat with Toby about what he wanted. So if you do come here on holiday, come here. The lady's lovely, so we'll definitely be back here. And this drink is amazing. So nice. He's going to get a picture over here. Oh, naughty Hugo. Such a nice sound. You are? We need the cash point.
Let's go.
Team Smash.
These things are so funny.
Don't want you for the weekend. Don't want you for a night. I'm only interested.
Guess who'd love this?
Howdy, bye.
Grandad Mike.
Don't want you for
There's a
a
show.
night.
Press the other one next to it. Does he do anything? Press his button. Ow.
There's another one.
It's really hot today. It's 36 degrees, which is the hottest since we've been here. It's been kind of like 30, 32. It's been fairly cool actually. It's been it's not been too bad, but today is boiling, and it's the hottest part of the day as well. It's just gone 1 o'clock. Is that a cafe there or not? Let's go there.
Yeah, just decide what you want to drink first. And drink. Want a bottle of...
Cider, passion fruit, Diet Coke. Got our food. Me and Lee are going to share. We've got a Greek salad and club sandwich.
Oh, that's hot
I
then.
didn't know we had chips. Bit of bread, and Toby's got garlic bread. Tuck in. We're going to share this. All finished, the food was really good, and I think we're going to head back to the hotel now. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it, because all we've got to do is get on a bus. That might be quite boring. So I've got food on my face, I hope not. Yeah, we demolished the food. Nearly all gone, just left some salad. So I hope you enjoyed this little vlog in our day out in Paphos, and if we do another day out I might do another vlog, and hopefully this will upload, so hopefully the Wi-Fi in the hotel will be good enough and I can upload it later. So thanks for watching, and I will speak to you soon. I've got a few scheduled videos in, and like I said, if we do another day out I'll do another vlog. So see you later, bye! Give us a wave.